Hey there, I'm Russ, and welcome to my dream shop. Here we have the Jet Black 14-inch bandsaw. This machine is built for smooth, effortless cutting thanks to the Jet Black performance coating. The aluminum fence is sturdy, and the clear measurements help me make accurate cuts every single time. No second guessing, just reliable precision. Here we have the Jet Black 8-inch helical head joiner. This Jet Black coating doesn't just look sharp, it's slick and keeps maintenance low and durability high. It features a helical cutter head, which ensures quieter, smoother cuts and makes joining a breeze, even on the toughest grain patterns. Here we have the Jet Black oscillating edge sander. This thing is designed with precision in mind. The Jet Black performance coating keeps everything running smooth while minimizing wear. With this machine, I know I have the control to achieve the perfect finish every time. Here we have the Jet Black 20-inch helical head planer. Every component on this machine, from the speed control to the height adjustment, is designed to work seamlessly together. The helical cutter head delivers smoother cuts with less tear out and gives me the accuracy I need on each board. When we added the Jet Black performance coating to the tables, that was just the icing on the cake. Whether you're in the shop every day or just pushing your skills to the next level, each machine's low friction, rust resistant, maintenance free performance coating will make your job more efficient. And don't let me forget about the 5-year warranty. It's peace of mind for any woodworker. Take your shop to the shop you want with Jet Black.